Imagine a system installed at your municipal waste facility that reduces waste weight by more than 80%, virtually eliminates litter, flies, vermin, and odor, uses proven technologies, and comes with performance guarantees. S-Tech's proven fiber cycle steam autoclave process revolutionizes the management of municipal waste streams by sterilizing the waste, removing putrescibles, and allowing valuable metals and fibers to be extracted. With the fiber cycle process, you can divert more than 80% of the municipal solid waste from the landfill, decrease the costs and headaches of handling and transporting wastes from transfer stations, and create a storable, easy-to-burn, and valuable clean solid fuel. Fiber Cycle's residuals are sterile, low litter, easy to store prior to disposal, and typically less than 20% of the initial mass. The separated cellulose fiber product is nearly dry. High-pressure steam and mechanical forces in a rotating vessel significantly alter the composition of the municipal solid waste while also sterilizing it. During the process, glass products are broken into aggregate-sized pieces. Plastic products shrink. Metals are cleaned and labels are stripped off. The process of steam cooking is an ancient technology, having been discovered by various cultures over 6,000 years ago. The high-pressure steam autoclave was invented by a French scientist in 1879. Autoclaves are now commonly used in commercial food operations, healthcare, and laboratories. Fibers from food and paper stock, vegetable wastes, and small wood chips are thermomechanically pulped. The remaining food waste products are separated into a combined liquid fraction and residual solids. With water and fiber removed, the residual waste weight is typically less than 20% of the original mass. In addition, many common household chemicals are hydrolyzed and detoxified. S-Tech's proven and proprietary fiber cycle autoclave process is an elegantly simple, reliable, and robust system that sterilizes, reduces, and sorts municipal solid waste. Processed waste can be safely sorted. With dry fiber, water, and metals removed, less than 20% of the original weight remains to be landfilled. S-Tech traces its origins to patents filed in the 1980s and to a pilot U.S. waste treatment demonstration plant developed in 1992. Larger scale trials and commercial demonstrations proved the effectiveness of the process in reducing waste weights by more than 80%. S-Tech opened its first commercial facility in Wales in 2002. England's Jack Allen Group formed S-Tech Europe and subsequently licensed the European market rights. S-Tech Europe is currently constructing 3 complete fiber cycle processing plants in the United Kingdom and is breaking ground at 2 additional sites. In the European systems, the valuable materials in the municipal solid waste stream are recovered and sorted into recyclables, such as cellulose fiber, glass, plastics, ferrous, and non-ferrous metals, allowing communities to move away from curbside recycling. At several sites across Europe, the process has repeatedly proven its efficacy. Here we see a fiber cycle plant on a 5-acre site. The plant contains an inbound waste tipping floor, a main processing area with 2 steam autoclaves and pre- and post-treatment equipment, an area for separating or recycling materials, a shipping area, an office area, and a central control room. To begin the fiber cycle process, waste is fed from a conveyor into one of the autoclave vessels. The door is hydraulically closed and the rotating vessel evenly distributes the waste inside. While the vessel rotates, steam is introduced and raised up to 7 atmospheres pressure at about 330 degrees Fahrenheit for a period of 30 minutes. Processed, sterilized materials are then discharged onto an output conveyor. The sterile material that emerges has no pathogens and very little odor. This allows for easy sorting and handling of the processed material without the health and safety risks associated with raw municipal solid waste. The sterilized waste is next fed into a trommel screen where the dry bulk fiber is separated. This separated cellulose fiber is typically more than 30% of the municipal solid waste stream weight and well over 60% of the treated volume, representing an enormous reduction in waste. The remainder of the treated solid waste is conveyed to a sorting station where other valuable products such as glass, plastic, and metals are extracted for recycling. Iron and aluminum are easily extracted using magnets and eddy current separators. In the European fiber cycle model, plastics and glass are also separated and recycled. With fibers and metals removed, municipal waste weight is reduced by more than 80%. Dry cellulose fiber has many beneficial uses. Our cycle process is the best practical environmental option and meets all regulatory requirements. It requires few, if any, permits for installation on existing solid waste site and can be operated as a zero-discharge facility. Delivered to your site by truck, the Fiber Cycle system offers quick assembly and installation. As communities grow, landfills close, and economics and regulations change, S-Tech's modular features easily adapt to your changing needs. For instance, the system can increase its capacity for waste handling by adding more autoclave vessels. Glass or plastic can be recovered by adding proven sorting equipment, and the modular system can be moved to accommodate site layout changes. S-Tech will design, build, install, operate, and finance your fiber cycle facility. We also provide performance guarantees on our equipment and operations. S-Tech's design process is exacting. Equipment is built to last with a 25-year design life. S-Tech's equipment is robustly constructed of off-the-shelf parts and is accompanied by detailed operation and maintenance manuals and schedules. ASME and ASTM standards are met and exceeded, and an internal ISO 9001 compliant quality system is followed. Building on years of operational experience, the fiber cycle process operates at higher pressure and temperature ranges than previous systems and delivers superior results. S-Tech operates its facilities with clean, well-maintained equipment, an asset to the communities and sites where they are located. When you're ready to start reducing the amount of municipal waste destined for the landfill, S-Tech will be with you every step of the way. You won't find an easier, more cost-effective solution for meeting your municipal waste diversion goals and mandates. Yes, it really works, and it really is that simple.